Hey sweet friends, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're tackling the bedroom. It is a mess. We had the stomach bug and I had to keep that bucket beside the bed because I didn't want to accidentally throw up on trying to make it to the bathroom. So I had the bucket beside me, and as you can see, the room is filthy because it hasn't been cleaned in a while because I was sick and just was not feeling well. Let's go ahead and tackle our messes together. Enjoy!
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Lately I've been into planting and I am not a pro by any means, but plant system that literally does it for you. You don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do from start to finish is plug the machine in, put the water in it, put your seeds and stuff, and literally press the on button, and that's it. Nothing else. You literally have to do nothing else from that point. So I'm going to take a minute to introduce you guys to this product. The product will be linked in my description box. So guys, today I have the pleasure of introducing to you Ahoprgarden's transparent smart garden. This is their latest model and I love the fact that it provides 5 times faster growth. It's pest free and it provides cleaner indoor air. I love their transparent design. It easily fits on any countertop, as you can see right here, and it provides easy plant observation. I love that you can see through it, so you can see the roots and all that. Everything that you need for a successful garden is included in the box. This is everything that comes in the box. The only thing that you would have to buy are the seeds. It's step-by-step instructions. It's so easy to follow. They give you a detailed instruction manual so you can easily follow. It has a natural sunlight mode that enhances yields and success. It comes with 12 seed pods that you can customize your indoor garden plant variety, so you can plant both vegetables and fruits. From the time I planted the seeds until germination, it took exactly a month to get to this point, and I've been enjoying my basil tea. I've been enjoying cooking with my vegetables, so I love it. And I'm gonna leave the link in the bio to their website. You can go ahead and check them out and enjoy it. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And thank you to Ahoprgarden for sending me over this to try it for you guys. I absolutely love it. Also guys, I was supposed to announce the giveaway winner in today's video, but because nobody entered the giveaway from my previous video, there is no winner to announce. So sorry, I don't know what happened, if y'all missed it or what, but nobody entered, so I have no winner to announce in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. See you Tuesday at 7 for another shop with me, and again on Saturday for some more cleaning motivation. And I upload daily shorts, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Love you guys.